Welcome to qnawire.
Hello students, let us do this question. Formula to find the 90% confidence interval for population variance sigma square is n-1 s square pi square alpha by 2 less than sigma square less than n-1 s square pi square 1 minus alpha by 2. Alpha is 1 minus confidence level 1 minus 0.9, so 0.1. Alpha by 2 is 0.05 and 1 minus alpha by 2 is 0.95. Degrees of freedom are n-1 equal to 17 minus 1, 16. Chi-square alpha by 2, that is chi-square 0.05 for 16 degrees of freedom is 26.2962 and chi-square 0.95 is 7.9616. Sample size n is 17. Sample variance S square is 0.0806. Using these values, confidence interval becomes 16 into 0.0806 divided by 26.2962 less than sigma square less than 16 into 0.0806 divided by 7.9616. This gives 90% confidence interval for sigma square as 0.0490, 0.1619. Now, to get confidence interval for sigma, we take square root of these values, which are nothing but square root of 0.0490, square root of 0.1619. So we get 90% confidence interval for sigma as 0.2214, 0.4023. Hope you find this useful.